What's going on, you guys? If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It's good for your health. Thanks. Okay, today we're going to get started on a new product, well, a relatively old product in comparison. I've had this product for about a month and I continue to forget to get a replacement. So here's the replacement. When I went in to get a replacement unit, which you don't have to get, I guess when I went in to get an extra unit, should I say, they were sold out. So I just got the replacement, but I want to show you guys what this product can do. The product at hand is a flying insect trap made by ZEVO, if I'm saying that correctly. It's an awesome product, I guarantee you. I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you guys what exactly it does, but we're going to get into it. And just know that I am high key when it comes to cleanliness, but these are bugs that I would never have seen, I guess, had it not been for this trap. And I thank this trap daily. And I actually am going to go back whenever they get in stock and get this trap again. Without further ado, I'm going to show you guys exactly what this trap does. Okay, for the grand reveal, as you guys can see, man, this is ridiculous how many bugs this thing actually caught for me throughout the month that I had it. I kept forgetting to get the replacement, and it still had spots for larger bugs to get stuck on. The ones at the bottom, I'm not sure what the hell those are, but it caught them, and I have to thank this trap for that. 100%. As you can see here, I try to do a little close up. Eventually it will focus. There it is right there. We got tiny bugs, big bugs, medium-sized bugs, bugs alien looking bugs, man. This is crazy. Giant wasp, helicopter bugs. Man, this trap is amazing, man. You need one of these in the house. But I will say this, I'm not sure if the light actually draws the bugs in that wouldn't normally come into your house, or if it's just that amazing at catching bugs because of the light. I'm going to show you a picture now to show you how it looks in the wall. Okay, this is how it looks in the wall. Pretty cut and dry. Very bright, if I would say so myself. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if it's drawing the bugs in that wouldn't normally be in my house, or if it's just that awesome. Anyway, let's get to the replacement. Okay, here we go. Here's the box for the replacements. The replacements aren't that high. The unit is actually $19.99. But of course you get the replacements. You keep the unit unless it goes out or something like that. But here are the replacements right here. It comes with a 2-pack for about $7. That's not bad in my opinion for the amount of bugs that you are going to catch with this product. So hey, I think it's a good investment because you can always continue to buy replacements until they discontinue the unit or whatever. But I'm pretty sure they're not, because this is selling fast off the shelves at Walmart, which is where I got it from. Okay, as you can see, I peeled off the plastic from one of the replacement units. And then what I'm going to do is just pick up the unit itself, pop this bad boy in, it slides in. It doesn't give you that satisfying click, but you will know exactly when it's in there. Good fit, you know, good quality. It doesn't feel relatively cheap, but in this case, I don't think it needs to be high quality other than where the plug is to do what it does. So yeah, that's the video, you guys. Keep in mind, Mousetrap Monday also did a video on this bad boy too, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, he recommended it as well. So I'm just a little small YouTuber right now, but I recommend this product because I actually used it for a month and I got amazing results, and I know you guys will too, unless you I don't know. I can't see how you wouldn't, because bugs are everywhere. But anyway, with that said, thank you for watching Unboxed. This your boy Tate. Hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Peace.